Excel's Cakes and Bakes. So we're back from Cake and Bake Show Excel. This is what we have bought. So from Sugar and Crumbs, a massive shout out goes to Carol. She didn't have this on the stand, but I ordered it online and she brought it down for me. I've heard excellent things about the Select Island Platinum Edition white sugar paste, the way it rolls and everything like that. So I will do another video on this and to say how good it is and what I think of it. So watch out for that video. Also from Sugar and Crumbs, we bought their amazing icing sugar. One of my favourite flavours from Sugar and Crumbs is the white chocolate and raspberry. Very popular and a very delicious flavour. There's also strawberry milkshake, cherry bakewell, honeycomb, and a couple of their new winter flavours are apple crumble and gingerbread. Because I bought 8 amazing icing sugars and this is what we got for free. And of course I had to send that to the amazing Cake Decoration and Sugarcraft magazine. So let's take a look what's inside the goodie bag. For a goodie bag, I think they could have done better. It wasn't what I was expecting compared to Cake Masters when I got a load of stuff. So if you haven't done so, please hit the like and subscribe button. My favourite company, Vanilla Valley. I order a lot from these guys and they are absolutely amazing for their quality and their price. Some PME Edible Luster Gold Spray. Absolutely amazing stuff. I bought these from the show as they were on offer, 2 for £10, and all my other stuff I'll just buy online. So we visited Sweet Stamps by Amy's Cakes. This is what we bought from her. A number set to add to our collection. And last, but by no means least, we have finally got Molly's Creature Creator moulds. Not just one, but both of them, laying down and the sitting down mould. Additionally, we also bought the step-by-step instruction guides. There's Dottie the Dalmatian, Tristan the Tiger, Judy the Giraffe, which she named after her mum, Piper the Panda, Eugene the Unicorn. So I've been umming and ahhing about these moulds for a while, and after thinking about them for quite a few months, I have now decided to buy them. So if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button with notifications on so you don't miss a future tutorial us using Molly's Creature Creator mould. Please go and check out Cake and Bake Show Excel 2019. Everything here is in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.